In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own custom stickers from your photos on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app and then just search for a photo you would like to use as your sticker. We can open up a photo, and then if we would like to cut out some object from that photo, we need to just long press on it and tap Add Copy. After that, we need to go to WhatsApp and then just get into some conversation. Then in that simple way we can paste an object we have just copied as a sticker. Now it says custom sticker, and then we can just hit Add Send to send it to that conversation. After that we can long press on it, and then we'll be able to add this sticker to favorites by tapping Add Star. After that, if we tap at that icon and then scroll down a bit, we can easily find the sticker we have just created. And also if we go to favorites, we can find that sticker right over here, and from here we can send our custom stickers in any time as much as we want. That's how you can easily create and send stickers on WhatsApp.